Located at a strategic intersection between military strength and suburban growth, Universal City, Texas is home to a unique blend of local enterprise. From logistics and retail to health services and contracting, businesses here support a fast-moving, mission-driven economy. Business here doesn't pause. Growth happens in real time, and access to capital needs to move just as fast, without paperwork bottlenecks or drawn-out approvals. That's where New York Fast Funding comes in, offering fast, frictionless financing so business owners can focus on operations, not obstacles. If your business brings in $10,000 a month and has been operating for 6 months or longer, you're already on track to apply. No credit checks, no long waits, just straightforward funding when you need it most. Located at the edge of San Antonio's economic reach, Universal City is built for business mobility, and New York Fast Funding delivers the capital to keep it in motion. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.